Hey guys, I'm Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we'll be comparing the 4-cycle versus 2-cycle trimmer. You can find the links to the products in the description, and you can use the links to check the latest prices and other user reviews. Make sure to watch until the end to find out the best trimmer between these two. Have you been considering replacing your current trimmer? You should consider getting a gas trimmer since it's likely to have more power than an electric trimmer. Lawn care manufacturers have come up with two types of gas trimmers, namely 2-cycle and 4-cycle trimmers. Before you choose either of these options, you should find out how they compare. 2-cycle versus 4-cycle trimmer. How do they compare? Power. The engine of a 2-cycle trimmer produces more power than that of a 4-cycle trimmer. A 2-cycle trimmer requires only 2 strokes to produce power. Since the engine of this trimmer has less work to do, it has more power output. The engine of a 4-cycle trimmer, on the other hand, has to do more work. Therefore, it produces less power. Cost. If you need a cheap gas trimmer, you should go for a 2-cycle model. A 2-cycle model trimmer is cheaper than a 4-cycle trimmer. The cost of a 2-cycle trimmer is lower since it has a basic engine and less complex parts. Since a 4-cycle trimmer has more complex parts, it's costlier. Fuel efficiency. Though a 2-cycle trimmer produces more power, it has to burn more fuel to achieve this. This makes a 2-cycle trimmer less fuel efficient compared to a 4-cycle trimmer. A 4-cycle trimmer needs less fuel to produce power. Comparison table. From the table, you can tell that a 2-cycle trimmer makes use of a 2-stroke engine, while a 4-cycle trimmer has a 4-stroke engine. Since both trimmers feature a straight shaft, they are comfortable. A comparison overview. 2-cycle trimmer, overview, and features. This is a gas-powered trimmer, featuring an engine that produces mechanical power every 2 strokes. A stroke refers to the piston's movement inside the engine. Since this gas trimmer contains a 2-cycle engine, its pistons must move twice for it to produce power. This trimmer has fewer strokes since it combines the ignition and compression of its upstroke. It also combines the exhaust and power of the downstroke. The engine of a 2-cycle trimmer requires only 2 steps to produce power. Since a 2-cycle trimmer is lightweight, you can use it for some time without experiencing fatigue. It can give you a good trimming experience since it is dependable and does not have lots of moving parts. The 2-cycle trimmer does not vibrate so much during use. This is an affordable gas trimmer that can help you save on cost. It also produces a lot of power since it operates at a high RPM. This gas trimmer uses a mixture of oil and gas. Pros. It's lightweight and does not vibrate a lot. This gas trimmer is cost-effective, produces more power. Cons. Pollutes the environment. It's noisy. 4-cycle trimmer overview and features. If you need a well-constructed gas trimmer, you should pay attention to 4-cycle trimmer. This is made with a heavy-duty material and is therefore a durable trimmer. The engine of a 4-cycle trimmer produces a single power stroke every 4 cycles. A 4-stroke engine does not produce so much power. This engine requires 4 strokes for the piston to generate power. These strokes include intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. Though this trimmer does not produce as much power, it is environmentally friendly since it produces fewer emissions. It's also a fuel-efficient gas trimmer that can help you save money since it utilizes less gas. Since the parts of this gas trimmer produce fewer emissions, they lead to less noise. Many people also choose this trimmer since it provides extra torque. The engine of this 4-cycle trimmer stores the oil and gas required for lubrication separately. Pros. It is fuel efficient, produces few emissions, greater torque, less noisy. Cons. High cost. Verdict. So which is better, 2-cycle or 4-cycle trimmer? This depends on your needs. If you require a more powerful gas trimmer and don't mind the noise, a 2-cycle model may be an ideal option. If, however, you need a solidly built and efficient machine that works silently, go for the 4-cycle trimmer. Which of the gas trimmers impressed you the most? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.